Take a seat on your mat with your feet out in front of you. Bend your knees, placing the feet flat on the floor, and bring your palms to the mat by your sides. Just take a moment to arrive here, feeling the sit bones grounding into the mat, the spine gently lifting. And now bring awareness to your center. Gently draw the pelvic floor inward and upward, the navel inward and upward, a light engagement through the bandhas, just enough to feel supported. Reaching your hands forward and then slowly begin to lean back, finding that point where the body begins to respond. See how it feels at around 45 degrees, but you are guided by how it feels in your own body. We are all different. Keep your chest open, the shoulders soft and drawing slightly back and down. And now begin to lift your right foot and notice how your body responds, how the core begins to engage a little more. Stay with that sensation and then gently lift the left foot and pause here. There's no need to rush to straighten the legs. You're just getting a sense of the connection, the steadiness through the center. Keeping the spine long, rising through your crown. Let the neck stay soft and the jaw relaxed. And if you want a little more, you might begin to extend your legs, only as far as you can maintain that length through the spine. You're pressing gently through your inner thighs, keeping everything connected. Stay here for a few breaths. Notice the effort, the strength, the subtle shaking if that comes. And let the breathing stay steady, supporting you in your posture. And then when you're ready, bending the knees and gently lowering the feet back down to the mat. Coming back to seated, taking a moment to pause and noticing how that feels through the body.